Hey everyone, welcome back to Did You Know? If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our fascinating videos. Today, we're diving into VeChain, the blockchain technology that's rewriting the rules in industries and crypto alike. Did you know it has the potential to revolutionize how businesses operate and how consumers shop? Let's get started. Deep dive into VeChain. What is VeChain and how does it work? VeChain is more than just another blockchain. It's a tool that combines technology with real-world solutions. Imagine a platform that can track every product from its creation to its delivery to the end customer. How does it work? Through the use of sensors and QR codes, which record data about the product like its origin, storage conditions, and transportation. All this information is stored on the VeChain Thor blockchain, ensuring it's transparent and tamper-proof. Real-world applications of VeChain. VeChain is already being used by major companies like BMW, Walmart China, and LVMH, a luxury goods powerhouse. For example, Walmart China leverages VeChain to ensure food safety. Imagine buying fresh meat at the supermarket and being able to check, through an app, where it came from, how it was stored, and if it meets safety standards. Or verifying the authenticity of a luxury handbag from Louis Vuitton. VeChain ensures every step in the supply chain is verifiable and secure. VeChain and Crypto, past, present, and future. The past, how it all began. VeChain was founded in 2015 with the goal of revolutionizing supply chain management. Sunny Lu, the founder and former CTO of Louis Vuitton China, saw the problems of counterfeiting and lack of transparency in businesses. Blockchain offered the perfect solution, and VeChain was born, becoming one of the first blockchain projects with real-world applications. The present. How VeChain operates today. Today, VeChain operates on a dual token system, VET and VTHO. The VET token is used for investment and trading, while VTHO is used to pay transaction fees and power applications on the blockchain. VeChain has partnered with global giants like PricewaterhouseCoopers and DNVGL, proving it's trusted and valued at the highest levels. As of 2023, VeChain processed over 10 million transactions on its platform and continues to grow. It's one of the few blockchain networks combining enterprise solutions with real-world sustainability goals. The future. What's next for VeChain? Now, for the most exciting part, what's coming next? VeChain is focusing on integrating with artificial intelligence and IoT, Internet of Things, allowing for smarter tracking and data analysis. Imagine a world where every bottle of wine you buy has its own digital history, or where blockchain helps businesses achieve carbon neutrality by tracking their carbon footprint in real time. Experts predict that as the demand for transparency and sustainability grows, the value of VET could rise significantly in the coming years. If you're looking for a crypto project with real-world impact, VeChain might just be the one to watch. Now it's your turn. What do you think about VeChain? Do you see its potential to become a leader in blockchain technology? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to drop your own ideas on how VeChain or blockchain could be used in everyday life. Who knows, your idea might inspire the next big innovation. That's all for today, folks. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We've got more exciting topics lined up about technology, crypto, and innovation. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video on Did You Know? Take care.